Dinosaurs went extinct millions of years ago. But did you know that a mysterious living history of that prehistoric era is still hiding deep inside the South American Amazon rainforest? Yes, we are talking about a silent and massive protector of the forest, the tapir. Though very peaceful by nature, this creature is one of the main architects of maintaining the rainforest ecosystem or balance. When they move slowly inside the dense fog and dark shadows of massive trees, each of their steps seems to make the deep mysteries of the forest more alive. After night falls, the entire rainforest takes on a different form in the silent presence of this animal. Tapir loves water very much. They can stay hidden by submerging their body in the cold river water for hours. Their small trunk-like nose helps them breathe easily, even underwater when moonlight falls on the riverside in the deep darkness of the night, and the tapir walks slowly under that light. The whole scene feels more supernatural and mysterious than reality. According to scientists, the tapir is one of the oldest mammal species on Earth. For centuries, their body structure and strong adaptation power have helped them survive. They are usually more active at night, avoiding daylight. Their sense of smell is so sharp that they can detect the presence of predators from far away. Tapir is called the rainforest gardener. After eating various fruits, they spread seeds throughout the forest. Through their droppings from which new trees are born, the contribution of this peaceful animal in maintaining the balance of nature is truly extraordinary. But the sad thing is that due to deforestation and poaching, this ancient living symbol is now gradually becoming endangered from the earth. Nevertheless, breaking through the dense foggy blanket of the deep Amazon, this primitive, mysterious animal still walks silently. How did you like learning about this beautifully strange animal facing extinction from the heart of nature? Please let us know by commenting to know all such thrilling and unknown mysteries of wildlife and nature regularly. Please subscribe to our channel right now. If you like the video, give it a like, and do not forget to share it with your friends.